Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you this map that was developed by my collaborator, Carly McKay, and just trying to show you how this works for percent problems. So what you have here you're going to put the problem, and the first part of the process is to identify what is missing. If it's a percent, the part of the whole. And then you have two boxes here, one where you're going to represent the percent, and you have four choices. Depending if it's missing, of course, you're going to put it as a variable or as a variable over 100. And if it's known, you can put it as a decimal or as a fraction. And here you're going to have the part over the whole. Once you have those two things, you're going to create an equation you're going to solve here, and then you translate that into words. That's the flow of the problem. So let me show you here a couple of examples. The first example is what percent of 70 is 63? So in this case, what we're looking for is a percent. And since it's missing, you have two options, either represented as unknown or unknown over 100. So I'm going to do this first unknown. It's going to be x. And then the part over the whole will be 63 over 70. So now based on that, you just make those equal, and then you find the percent. And I'm not going to show the calculations for everything here. I'm just going to give you the final answer. You can let the students do that. But I just wanted to show you this step. And then finally, 90% of 70 is 63. So let's do the same problem here, but now using, it's a percent again, but we're going to use unknown over 100. So the other x over 100. So here you're going to get the percent directly as a percentage. In 63 over 70, you make this equal, and the answer is 90. But in this case, it's going to be 90%, and that's the final answer. Okay, a couple of more problems. What is 60% of 90? I think I forgot the is in there. So in this case, we're looking for the part, and since we already have the percentage, we have the choice to represent it as a decimal or as a fraction. So I'm going to do fractions here. And you as a teacher can decide which way you want to do it. And then we have the missing here is 70. I'm sorry, it's x here, the part is going to be over 70. And then you make those equal, and then you solve the problem there. And then you translate into words. So 60% of 90 is 54. And then one more problem where we have the whole. So 25% of what is 15? So in this case, we're looking for the whole. Okay, and I'm going to represent the percent as a decimal to make a change. And then in this case, it's 15 over x because the whole is what is missing. You take the equation, and then finally you translate it into words. All right, so I hope you find this useful to teach your students percent problems. That's all. Bye.